Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sarah James, and I'm from jessiejamesbeads.com with a very quick news flash for you about today. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday happens once a week, every week, as does What's New Wednesday at jessiejamesbeads.com. So today is the day that we release a bunch of new fantastic items to the online shop. If you are part of the Jessie James Beads newsletter club, you know all about it because you find out every week in your inbox. And if you're not yet part of the newsletter club, I suggest you click the link above there and please do sign up for tips, tricks, sales, inspiration, colorful pictures, and really lovely notes from myself and the team here at Jessie James Beads. So since we are here on this lovely Wednesday afternoon, I thought I'd give you a quick sneak peek as to what is coming on What's New Wednesday. We have not yet sent the newsletter out, so if you're not yet a member of our newsletter club, please do sign up so that you can be notified right away when we send out all these great new innovations from the design house of Jessie James Beads. Hi everyone, hi Suzanne, hi Fern, hi Rosanna, hi Marisol. Yay, thanks for joining, crew. Now I know these Facebook Lives have been a little impromptu and we're just figuring out what time of day, what time of the week and what day is going to be best for us to do them to get a little more consistency. But this What's New Wednesday Facebook Live is especially special. It's especially special. It is though, because I'm giving you a quick little glimpse at what is about to release this afternoon on our What's New Wednesday launch. So I've got a bunch of strands in front of me, and then I have a really sweet new bundle. I'm doing this live on my computer, so just gonna hold the strands up a bit, but these are some really gorgeous items that we found while we were doing inventory, and I'm really glad that we're gonna be able to release them to you guys again. Here is this beautiful tan, very neutral colored strand. That one's gorgeous. Also super into this brown one. Really beautiful colors. There's a lot of AB going on. So yes, it's predominantly brown, but it's putting a lot of green and some really cool burnt orange AB effects on those large sparkly pave beads. Again, all of this is releasing for What's New Wednesday. Sign up for the Jessie James newsletter so you can stay in the know and get the updates when we release new products like this. Some really beautiful crystal strands. This one I'm just totally in love with. Even though it's predominantly glass with just a little bit of metal, the glass shapes are so unique and the colors really play off of each other to create a very classic, elegant glass strand. Also going with that one, I feel like these two could be sisters, is this strand here. We've got a little bit more metal, some more pewter involved there. Yeah, someone likes this one. Love that pewter bead. Isn't she so pretty? Just love it. Pewter is so nice too because it has such a good weight to it. You know, it's not flimsy like some of the other base metals that are out there. But here's those two strands together. I think that they work so lovely with one another. Yeah. Ooh, thanks for the love, guys. Here's another strand, another skinny guy. I'm totally digging this one. These metal beads that we have here, these Jessie James metals with the rhinestones inlaid in it, this is actually a really nice thick metal bead. It's a large hole, so it's good for stringing leather or just regular string is fine as well. Then we've got some ceramic pieces and Jessie James bohos to tie that whole look together. Super cute. Yeah, this will be released today with Jessie James Beads What's New Wednesday. You'll see this in your email inbox in just probably an hour, something like that. And if you don't get emails from us, please do sign up. We'd love to stay in touch. All right, next I'm gonna hit you guys with some red strands. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm excited about this one. Yes. Yeah. Okay, I gotta start with this one because I'm just in love with it. So, okay, check out this red strand. Super fiery, really great for Valentine's Day. If anyone's still creating some Valentine stuff, we had a big sale over the weekend, but now we've got some new strands. Check out this element right here. So we've got this acrylic bead. We call it one of our galaxy beads because it just shimmers bright like the galaxy. And then on opposing ends of it are these wavy, super, super pretty potato chip style beads. Look like a little wavy Lay's potato chip. Such a cute, cute spacer idea. Like a bead cap that's not a bead cap. So that's here, this red strand. Also to go with that, we've got two red sisters. The one has Jesse James beads, artisan bead focal, and then some of our really cute rhinestone and ball chain studded bohos, again with some gorgeous glass. I love that faceted glass shape, so pretty. And again, great for Valentine's Day if you're making some rockin' red jewelry for the holiday. Or if you're like me, you know I love stretch bracelets. All right, so that's it for some strands. Also, we have coming up today was a really great new bundle. It's our perfect trio of mini mixes. And what you get is just 3 random JJB mini mixes for a little discount. So you'll get some discontinued styles. Woo! They look like glasses. You get some discontinued styles for a really great price. And if you were tuned in during yesterday's live, you saw that the mini mix really has a ton of beads in each one. So to get a triplet for a little percentage off is always nice. And yeah, you get some styles that are no longer in print at the Jesse James Design Factory. So there's more coming up. Danielle is just on the other side of the wall helping finish up the upload. We've got some bead mixes. We've got these strands, the new special. So check out your email coming up a little bit later today. And that's about it. I have some more surprises sitting on my desk, but I can't share them with you yet. So be excited about What's New Wednesday. We do this every Wednesday. Get yourself signed up for the newsletter and let us know if you have any questions about anything here or via messenger or email, of course. Final note, yesterday we had a contest, a giveaway in yesterday's live. We'll be announcing that on the notes from yesterday's video in just a few. So if you haven't watched yesterday's, go on over and do it. Type the word mix in the comments and we will be picking a winner at 5 o'clock today. Okay? Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Happy Wednesday. It's 3 o'clock. We are officially over the hump here on the East Coast. All right. That's it. Thank you. Bye.